101.
Thank you for calling 101. We are connecting you to the Metropolitan Police. If you require an alternative police force, press 1.
You have been connected to the Metropolitan Police Central Control Room. We answer calls for all police stations across London. Your call may be recorded.
Thank you very much for giving me permission to record. I think I will. Yeah, hi. I have a complaint at the IPCC and I've got a reference number, and could I just add something to it?
Not with us, sir. It would have to be with the IPCC if that's who's dealing with the complaint.
Well, okay, I'll make a complaint to you guys then, if that's all right. All you got to do is just take down what I say, give me a CAD number and put the phone down.
Well, no, hold on, sir. You've already made the complaint with the IPCC.
No. I've just had a major blowout in the courtroom where the police, the Safer Neighbourhood team, the ASBO team and my residents have all colluded to abuse the court to pervert the course of justice.
Right, and
now, can I have a CAD number for that, please? Because I don't have to report myself.
Wait a minute.
No, I've had enough of you 101 taking the mick out of me. I'm publishing all my phone calls on YouTube tonight.
Okay, you do that, sir.
I will, don't worry.
But what is your complaint today?
Right, the complaint is that I want the guys that have assaulted me in my street and the ASBO officer and Sarah Wigley of the Safer Neighbourhood Police Force and Judges and Priestley solicitors and Duncan Lewis and Co. solicitors arrested for perverting the course of justice, abusing the civil court system. I've just had a massive blowout in the court. The clerk is 100% behind me. Right, I'm going to be given the recorded transcription tomorrow. The audio recording, not the typed out rubbish.
Solicitors as well?
Yeah, it's Judges and Priestley and Duncan Lewis and Co.
Judges and Priestley.
Right, and it's Sarah P.C. Wigley of the Safer Neighbourhood team. P.C. Sarah Wigley. And Aidan McCarthy of Barnet Holmes ASBO team, perverting the course of justice, abusing the court system to hide an assault. I want Raj Ramdin arrested for assaulting me and committing perjury in court. By Raj Ramdin, number 1.
And this was never dealt with?
No, yeah, you're right, it was. Yeah. And I won the appeal at Wood Green Crown Court, so they've committed perjury, haven't they? In 2 courthouses, they committed perjury. Sanctioned by PC Sarah Wishy-Washy Wigley. I've ordered a psychiatric assessment on the judge.
Right.
Alright, he's just gone off his tree. The clerk is 100% behind me, believe me. So I want Raj Ramdin arrested for assaulting me. I think it was 24th of June last year. And Keno of number 9A, Westbrook Close, arrested for the same assault. And Pauline Cutler of number 8 for committing perjury in 2 trials. One in the Magistrates' Court and one at Wood Green Crown Court. Where at the Magistrates' Court she was totally discredited 3 times by the magistrate, and at Wood Green Crown Court the judge said to her, "You are totally disbelievable." Now they've just tried to push this through at the civil court. No way.
That's all been passed.
Right, and one other thing, this Antonio Nicholas next door, if she starts harassing me tonight, I want her nicked tonight.
No, you phone her straight away.
Yeah, that's right, yeah, but what do? You pass it on to Wishy-Washy Sarah Wigley.
Sir, can you stop speaking like a child? I'm trying to help you here.
Well, Sarah Wigley is a child. She's on YouTube.
Wigley.
She's on YouTube abusing me. And she just used the court to try and cover that up. Get lost.
Right. But
Not
if
you,
someone is,
but
no,
yeah.
I know. If someone is at your home,
Yeah.
we would send it down to the borough for deployment, not to a specific officer. Okay, so if you're having trouble at your door, we send it to the borough.
Yeah, and what does Sarah do? Cover it up. Look, she sent me an email saying I'm not letting police officers into your house to see the CCTV of you being assaulted because you put a complaint into the IPCC. That was 6 months ago. I had not at that time put a complaint into the IPCC. So she's perverting justice, isn't she, in her email. Now the judge has just read that.
Okay.
All right, she put it in an email. She's stopping police officers reviewing evidence, and she says, "Did you tell the magistrates it's on camera?" Yes, I did. And as a matter of fact, and you can check this out, the CPS said we should be reviewing that CCTV before we prosecute an innocent victim. All right, so there you go.
Right.
And one other thing about that Hendon Magistrates Court, it's being transmitted.
What do you mean?
Well, the very second the first arraignment against me started, the CPS said, "Oh my God, I've just received a 600-page email against Mr. Smith." The very second it started. The magistrate said, "Oh, thank God, we've only got these few bits of paper to deal with." Now, you work it out. How come somebody outside of a courtroom, in the other side of the world, is suddenly sending an email with 600 pages against me the second the courtroom starts against me? So that courtroom is being broadcast to where? Collindale Police Station CPS? Or perhaps the person at the CPS phoned in sick that day and they've got their laptop at home and working from home today, connected to his massive broadband television set and taking a laugh? What's going on with that Hendon Magistrates Court is my question. Because it's being broadcast outside to the outside world, isn't it?
I can't say yay or nay.
Well, look, I am very, very observant, and the police computer records will show that the CPS received an email from someone. All right, you can't undo You can't undo. Computers is traceable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? Yeah, that's right. Absolutely. Now, I want the CPS in Collindale.
Emails can also be delayed in sending, though, just so you're aware.
Sorry?
I said emails can also be delayed in their sending. So
No. This was to the split second. It was deliberately targeted against me to the split second. A 600-page email. Look, the magistrate took note of what was said, of what happened. She wrote it down. All right? So there you go. Someone in that Collindale police station has been picking on me, and now I can prove it. I've got her name. I'm not going to give it to you, though. I swear, I'm not going to give it to you.
I don't want it, sir. That's
Yeah.
fine. I've put this down for you. There is a reference number if you'd like to take
Yeah,
it.
please, thank you. It's nothing personal, sweetheart, but I've just had a massive blowout in front of the judge, and I think the judge has wised up. Yeah.
That's fine. So CAD number is 5129.
CAD 5129, and it's...
And that's of today's
Yeah.
date, 18th.
Look, I'm sorry about barking, but I record everything at my end as well as the government at everyone else's end. All right? I'm not taking any shit from nobody anymore. I'm going to get this problem sorted out in my street, and it's going to be dealt with by the end of this week.
No, good on you.
Okay?
All right, sir.
Yeah, all right, thank you. I'm so sorry for barking at you, but...
All right, no problems.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers, bye.
Bye.